Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg grew up in a Jewish working-class neighborhood in Brooklyn, New York. She received her bachelor's degree from Cornell University and attended Harvard Law School before transferring to Columbia. There, she graduated at the top of her class. After graduation, Ginsburg took up work as a law clerk and eventually as a law professor at Rutgers University. She went on to become the first tenured female professor at Columbia Law School. Ginsburg became widely known as a fierce advocate for women's rights, arguing 6 gender discrimination cases in front of the Supreme Court and winning all but one of them. She also served as a lawyer for the American Civil Liberties Union. President Jimmy Carter appointed Ginsburg to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit in 1980. 13 years later, she became President Bill Clinton's first nomination for Associate Supreme Court Justice, succeeding retiring Justice Byron R. White. As the second female justice on the High Court, Ginsburg tends to lean liberal, but is said to respect independent thinkers. Ginsburg has suffered from health problems in recent months. In early 2009, she had surgery for pancreatic cancer, but she was back on the bench 18 days later. She was also recently hospitalized overnight twice in 1 month, once for fatigue and lightheadedness, then a second time for an adverse reaction to medication. The Supreme Court Justice is married to fellow lawyer and Georgetown University professor Martin Ginsburg. They have 2 children together.